Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're older but a goodie, welcome back. Today's Saturday. The last vlog that y'all watched it's the same day. I just started it tonight. So tonight we are celebrating someone's special birthday. They've been with us for about 2 weeks now. I just haven't vlogged them or showing them, but y'all gonna see them tonight. So we cooked, we jerked some chicken, we made curry chicken, corn, rice, you know, the regular stuff. My family is very small here, so it's not much. My mom invited maybe 2 or 3 of her friends. I invited my friends, but one of them is sick, and I think Jada isn't coming because it's Zara's bedtime. We're working on Caribbean time, y'all. Jada asked me what time. I didn't even know what time to tell her because I was gonna tell her 6. It's 9 o'clock right now, you know. So yeah, it's just gonna be us. We're just gonna eat, play some dominoes, talk, and we'll vibe. Nothing much, and probably play some Ludo as well. Y'all know my family is small, and this is just what we do. Whenever we're celebrating anything, of course food is involved, and then dominoes. That's basically our little tradition on what we enjoy to do, and just talk and vibe and build memories together. These two people mean the world to me, so like just being able to have this moment, I think it's the first time we're having this moment in years, probably since I left Jamaica. So yeah, let's go downstairs. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing. I got my hair straightened earlier today, y'all, but it's already poofing up. You can see right here, it's already poofed up because I've been on the road running errands all day. Every time my mom wants to get something, I'm the one going on the road, driving everywhere, just getting stuff. So yeah, so I got my hair straightened, and I also got my eyebrows waxed today. I just couldn't take y'all on the road because it was just so much going on, you know, so I apologize for that, but at least y'all get to see what's going on tonight and everything. It's downstairs, we're not going anywhere, so I just decided to put my makeup on because my face is looking crazy. Ignore Kai Bassinet, but I just threw on these pairs of jeans that I have from Fashion Nova. Y'all, I had these jeans for about 5 years now. They still rocking with me, and I put this vest sweater thingy on I got from Primark. But yeah, and I'm just gonna put my house slippers on. I'm really feeling this look, this very simple, soft, just like less is more type of look. I really like it, and I'm really been wearing my hair out more. I'm just not ready for wigs yet. Maybe like Christmas time, maybe. But I'm really feeling just my hair being out. It's just a struggle keeping it bone straight because my hair is still very much natural. So my hair poofs up, so I'm always going to have to fix it or whatever. But yeah, I just threw makeup on my face literally in like 5 minutes, so I didn't blend it out well. But listen, don't look too close. Yeah, let's go downstairs because everybody's yelling at me to come on. I was using my light, now the lighting changed, but I'm bringing it with me. Where you want? Come out of my room. What you do in here? Shab, don't take on none of my socks them. Guys, Shab, let me see socks them where you take.
There's 2 ankle socks more bush in my seat. Them are it. I gotta let her tell you too.
Yes, so you come in from my vlog. I know wicked that you come in from my vlog. Guys, my grandparents are here. It was Papa's birthday on Wednesday, so we're celebrating today. Kai being spoiled.
Spoiled. Grandma Steve.
Say hello, YouTube.
Say hello.
Yep.
Hello. Yeah, hello.
My Carlo, no.
Yes, hello.
Yes, say bye bye now. Say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Show them say I can't say bye bye. Yeah. Kai, wear shoes.
See there?
Anyway you want, put the finger in the back.
Andy, you're drunk.
No?
You're not drunk.
No, why you say I'm drunk?
What you say?
Why did you say I'm drunk?
Because you look drunk. You're not even looking at me.
I am looking at you. The fucking light is in my face.
Your eyes crossed.
I feel, my girl.
You're drunk, Andy?
No, I am not drunk.
But you're nice, I say you're going.
Exactly.
Alright. what is up? So today is Monday. It's after work. It's 5 o'clock right now. I got home from work about an hour ago. Right now I'm heading to Sephora. I have 1 hour till the Sephora close by me close. So I want to go over there. Today's the last day. Today's November 7th, the last day of their VIB sale. And I want to go in store to check some stuff out. I could have placed the order online and pick up, but what's the fun in that? I like to go browse and see. Sometimes, not all the time. But since it's the sale going on, I'm gonna see. I do want to try this topical cream for hyperpigmentation that I've been seeing on TikTok. I want to go try that. Online the full version is sold out, so I'm hoping that in stores they have it. I want to pick up a new moisturizer as well, because mine ran out, so I need to go re-up on that. And then just pick up a few more things that I saw some people talking about that I wanted to try.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Did I see? No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight.
I'm home. Sephora haul. I hear the girls raving about the Beauty Blender Pocket Puff. And I really want to try it. Apparently the application of it just makes your makeup flawless. It's $15 for one puff, but we move, you know. Don't record me. Don't record me. Where I record me for? Where I record me for?
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So
don't pose up with my son. Don't pose up with my picnic. Back to our Sephora haul. So you thought you ate? You thought I was feeling you? You thought I was feeling you? Anyway guys, so back from Sephora, I'm gonna give y'all this haul. So the first thing I got was the Beauty Blender Pocket Puff. Apparently this, when you use this to apply your under eye powder, chef's kiss. So I'm gonna see what the girl who's been raving about, because I'm all here for a smooth application. I look so oily. Ignore that. I'm about to go take a shower in a little bit. The next thing that I got was the Ole Hendrix. It is the Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. Now I've had this before. I really do like it. It's a moisturizer. I had tried it in the mini pack with this, the serum and the eye cream. So I just got this by itself because I like this. I didn't use the eye cream at all, so I didn't feel like I needed the set again. And I didn't get the serum either because it was $55. No. And this alone was $48. So I was just like, So I got this because I needed a moisturizer to mix in with my sunscreen, because lately I've just been wearing sunscreen and not moisturizer. So I needed that. And y'all, TikTok got me. This is one of the things that TikTok make me buy. So it's the Fenty Beauty hot chocolate that went viral on TikTok. I decided to try it. So stay tuned with my videos. I'll probably try this soon because I'm curious to see how it looks on my skin tone. Then I really wanted this in the full size because, again, TikTok was raving about the topicals faded. It's the brightening and clearing serum. Yeah, so TikTok was raving about this, so I really wanted to try it. However, they did not have the full size. They were sold out online and they were sold out in store. So I just got the trial size. So it's this. I'm just gonna use it on my problem area. Apparently this helps with hyperpigmentation. So I'm gonna try it and see how I like it and how it works for me. And hopefully, if it works for me, I'll get the full size whenever they come back in stock. And then the last thing that I bought is the Bum Bum kit. It says for the summer, but I honestly like this one. I've had the Bum Bum cream before. I got it maybe a year or two ago in my birthday sample, and I really loved it. So I got this set. I didn't want the big old one. I just feel like I needed this. This is the shower gel. I'm gonna try this tonight. Actually, I'm trying this whole set thingy tonight to see. When my sister came to visit, she had the bigger one to this and I liked it, but I just decided to get this to see if I like the duo of everything. So like the shower gel, the Bum Bum cream, and this, to see how long it lasts and everything before I go ahead and buy or the full size. Y'all know how I roll. Before I buy the full size, I gotta test everything, because if I don't like it, what's the point of buying a full size? I'm not just gonna buy it, you know. I want to try it to see if it works with my body chemistry and all of that. So yeah. And then the last thing that I got, I did not go in October to get my birthday sample, so I made sure that I asked to get mine. So I got the what is it, Tatcha? I don't know how to pronounce this, y'all, but Tatcha, that's what I'm gonna call it. Skincare. I'm really focused on my skin because I'm not loving how it looks lately, so I'm like trying to invest more in my skin to make it better. So in here you got it's the rice water soft cream cleanser, and then it's the dewy skin cream. So I'm gonna try this too. I feel like this is how Sephora be putting people on. I think it's just a smart way to do it, because like they be putting you onto the minis and then you want to buy the big thing. And I think it's a really great marketing strategy, because they give you so you can buy the bigger ones, and y'all know the big ones be pricey. Okay, so yeah, that's all I got from the sale from Sephora today. Yeah, most of the stuff that I wanted to try out, they were sold out. Like I wanted to try the Angel Share, I wanted to try the Angel Share perfume. They didn't have that. And I wanted to try the molasses lip liner from Sephora, the Sephora collection. They didn't have that either. And I was just browsing around. Honestly, if I had bought more stuff, it was just because of buying sake, because I don't technically need anything, because I bought new makeup over the summer and I'm not like a makeup junkie to go and just buy like random stuff. So these are the things that I really wanted to try, so I got them. If y'all participated in the Sephora VIB sale, comment down below, let me know what you got. That's what I got. Let me know if you have any of the stuff that I showed and how you like it. Comment down below. Basically right now, y'all, it's time for bed, so I'm about to go take me a shower, do a little skincare, and call it a night, because I have work in the morning and right now it's 9:30 basically. Kai is asleep, so I'm gonna take advantage of that. Why are you vlogging me? You can't vlog a vlogger, come on. Yeah, so Kai sleeps, so I want to take advantage of that before he wakes up again. I'm pretty sure he'll be up again before the night ends. Kai father need to go downstairs, go boil him buckle and everything, but I'm just done washing clothes them. Oh yeah, so that's all I got, but I really wanted to come show y'all before I start using stuff, because this is getting used tonight. Not the ghetto. This is getting used tonight. This is getting used tonight. This is not getting used. This is my day cream, and I'm gonna try the topical. I usually use the Urban Skin RX retinol fade cream, but I'm gonna try this because the girls was raving about this on TikTok. But I was really excited to come show y'all what I got, because I want to start using them now. So I'm gonna catch y'all in the morning. I have work tomorrow. Tomorrow's voting day. Make sure y'all go out and vote. I don't have work tomorrow. Well, why am I lying? I don't have, the kids don't got school tomorrow, so I just have meetings tomorrow, half a day. So tomorrow should be a smooth day, even though meetings be annoying as hell too. But you know, it is what it is. This is my old one, y'all. I was using this for dear life. It's finally finished. Like, it was been done. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Look, it's been done. You see the bottom? I was using like a Q-tip to get the bottom and everything else, so I really needed one. This is the serum that I did not replace. I don't know. Maybe I'll buy it later on, but I really didn't see much difference with this. I really like the moisturizer though. So yeah, I'm gonna go shower. I'm gonna stop yapping and yapping. Good night. Say good night. Yeah, IP with my boy. Anyway, guys, good night. Hey guys, so I just got my package from Fashion to Figure. I've been on I don't know if I was telling y'all in this vlog or not, but I did place an order for some high boots to fit my calves. Now I pulled the tape measure out. I don't know how much my calf, like the measurement of my calf, so I wanted to provide that just in case any of my girls, just in case y'all have the same problem. And sorry for the clear background. Just in case y'all have the same issue like me, I can never find like tall boots because my calves are huge. So I'm gonna take this tape measure and I'm gonna measure my calf real quick. So they're giving 18.5 inches, but I feel like a 19 would be like a more comfortable fit. I wouldn't want them to be 18.5 exact. I would want them to be like 19 so that, you know, I could have a comfortable fit. So let's see, because all the girls was raving about fashion and figure. So I'm like, let me give it a try and see. I placed an order and I got 3 of them. I only saw 3 that I really liked. Only 1 came in the mail today. That's what it looks like. So we are going to bust it open. I'm excited. It just came maybe about an hour ago. I did not open it. It came in a bigger box, so I took it out of that. First off, just taking out the pack. Heels are tiny. I'm scared of that, low-key. I got a size 7 because I do wear a size 7. I was going to size up, but I didn't want it to be like crazy. So this is what the shoe look like. I got a white because I have a specific outfit that I want to wear this for. Let me move this. So I got white because I got a specific outfit that I want to wear it for. But it's definitely not giving white. I thought it would be like white. It's giving more like, I don't know if it's just my eyes or it's the lighting or what. But let's see. I'm so nervous because if these don't fit, I'm sending them back. Well, obviously, why would I keep them? But I really hope they fit. I'm having a problem with the zipper already. Y'all, baby, y'all, listen, we have a winner. We finally got some boots. Finally got some boots that can fit. Finally. Let me see. They fit. They're given. Now I can't wait to pair these. And they still have room. I would say like, so maybe at max, if your calves are about like 19, 19.5, 20 at max, you still have some more room. And this is good. Y'all, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Look out for these on IG. Looks coming soon. I'll have these linked below. I'll have this one linked below. When the others come, I don't know if they're gonna come before I wrap up this vlog or not. They say tomorrow. I think they sent it out in 3 different batches. I got 3 pairs. I only saw 1 that's coming tomorrow, so I don't know. So if they come tomorrow, I'll show y'all. If not, I'll show y'all on the next vlog. But I'll definitely have these linked below. They're going fast. They had a sale recently, so I know they're gonna go fast. So if you struggle on finding boots for your calves, buy them. They are pricey, but they're having sale. They had a sale after I ordered, so they had $100 off of when you spend $200. I should have saw that. I was so mad. Y'all, this is the first time in my adult life that I'm able to find boots that fit my calves, and I love that for me. Like, I can't wait to pair these. I'm starting to like put pieces together, like put outfits together, not pieces, but like put outfits together so I can start taking my IG content again. I'm just trying to like get enough so that I'm not running. I feel like I always stop because I now run out of ideas of what I want. So I'm trying to get a good like a month worth of content before I like start posting on Instagram again. Plus the holidays coming up, I wanted to be like a holiday theme as well, but I don't know. I'm excited. Like, yes, me. So yeah, I got home from work today a little earlier, but I still had work to do. I just left the building, so I just wrapped up lesson plan and everything that I had to do. Right now, I want to go make a vision board. I know it's November, and I know, like, you know, but I don't want to be in the concept of like my vision board is just for the year or whatever. I'm gonna make it digital, so I'm just gonna find some images and stuff like that to piece together to make my vision board. So that's on my mind right now, and also I need to edit. So I have those 2 things just to, and I need to make some outfits ideas in my head, still look for stuff and stuff like that to see what's adding up and all of that. So yeah. Hey y'all, what is up? Good morning. Today is Saturday. We're up and out today because we have a few things to do today. Probably wondering like why I got glasses on. I've been rocking them all week, to be honest. These are my blue light glasses. Because my eyes has been just like hurting lately. I think one of the reasons is just the projector that I use to teach, and also I've just been exposed to a lot of lighting, and I think that's been affecting my eyes. So I do need to go get an eye exam to see what's going on. So I'm just practicing just in case I gotta wear glasses. Because fun fact about me, I hate wearing glasses. I'll buy shades and stuff like that, but like I'll have it on for a little bit. Like every opportunity that I have to take it off, I'll take it off. But I like shades, if that makes sense. But over time, like I feel a little pressure right here. But anyway, guys, first stop, since we have a lot of errands to do, we need energy. So first stop is Starbucks, and of course Starbucks has a line. I decided to come to the drive-through one because the first stop that I have to make is the Starbucks is on the way. So in the meantime, because I knew there was going to be a line, I brought pen and paper because I want to map out my day to make sure I hit everything that I need to do, because I tend to forget a lot of times when I have a bunch of things to do, and then I'll go home like, dang, I forgot to do that, and then I don't feel like leaving out again. So the first place that I'm gonna go to is Target. And when I'm making my list, I can make it on my phone, but as y'all know, like, let me take this off so y'all can take me seriously, but I can't do it on my phone. I have to write it down on pen and paper. So the first place I'm gonna go to is Target. I want to go get formula for Kai, and also see what I can get for myself. I do want to pick up some of the honey pot washes. I went to Walmart last night because I ran out and they have no more, so I went to the Target nearby me and they didn't have it either. So hopefully this is going to be a one-stop shop for the formula and the honey pot, and I'm just gonna browse to see what else I need, which is probably nothing, but you know, I just feel like treating myself today because my intention for this weekend was to do maintenance. So get my nails done. I did my eyebrows last week, but my lashes, do my hair, but none of that's gonna work out. The only part that's probably do work out is doing my hair, and that's probably gonna be tomorrow, but we're gonna see. So anyway, I gotta go to Target. I gotta go to Dollar Tree. I need to see if I could get some acetone from Target as well, because I was gonna go to the nail salon and soak my nails off, but I was like, I can do it myself and I got the tools, so why not? I need to go to the bank. I need to go to Jamaican. There we go. We getting it back. Jamaican store. I'm picking up some stuff for my grandparents at the Jamaican store. I think that's it. So I've been on the pumpkin spice wave. I just decided to try it one day, and I do like the pumpkin spice latte. It's on the sweeter side that I'm used to. It's less caffeinated in my opinion, but I still like it. It's the season. It's the season to be jolly. It's almost my favorite season of the year. It's almost Christmas, and Starbucks have their Christmas things out. Target started putting Christmas stuff out. I went to Walmart last night. They have a Christmas tree up. It's crazy. I want this Christmas to be so like fun for me, like just epic, because my grandparents are here, like Kai is here. Whoa. Like my first Christmas with a kid. Listen, get into it. We're gonna have to get some PJs. We're gonna have to do all that. We got the goods. Let's roll. Time to do some errands. Here's the pumpkin spice latte. I always add caramel drizzle in the cup. I don't know, it just gives us a little and then I always get Starbucks egg bites. I like their double smoked sandwich. However, sometimes it could just smell so raw to me. So I don't always get it. I don't really try the other sandwiches. So yeah, I always get the egg bites, the bacon ones. They have vegetable ones too if you're not into meat. But let's see if the Starbucks understood the assignment. I always wipe the mouth part off because people be touching stuff. Every time. Is it just me, or every time you go to drink it, like for the first time, it shocks your top lip? It shocks my top lip every single time. Never fails. Let me know if it's just me. Oh, I hate driving at the front when everybody trying to cross. Like, they don't have no type of decency to like say go. You've been stopping for a minute. Here's the thing with Target on a Saturday. The parking. Ooh, look at it. Let me do a front pop. My sister would be so proud, y'all. When Camilla was here, she was saying that it's weird because I always pull in like front way. but I should practice my backing up skills. But this mother did not park right. Here I am all excited to try this when this person right next to me is in 2 freaking parking spots. Like, learn how to drive. And I don't even want to come next to you this close for you to hit my car. So guess what we're gonna do? We're not gonna park here. As excited as I was to park at the front, we're not gonna park here because I will get into it with people. So let me not park there, because why would you ever park that bad? Like, it's upsetting me and my homegirl that y'all can't park. You know, it's really upsetting me and my homegirl. But yeah, when my sister was here, we were talking about, she was just saying I was where did I pull in, but she always reversed, and I just always thought that, like, oh my God, people still show off where they can reverse park. But I've been practicing, and I've been, honestly, look at me, look at me. I mean, I got the camera right here, so that helps too, but like, still, look at me. Cami, you'll be so proud. I know you will watch this video. You're probably gonna get to this part maybe in January, because you're still catching up. But let's go to Target. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but these stores don't have anything that I'm looking for. Like, even my body wash, Target doesn't have. I wanted the regular Olay one that I always use, but they don't have that, so I'm getting this one. This is the one I used last. This is the one I was using last. But I just wanted the bigger ones because these run out so quickly. So, but I'm still gonna get it. I just need to make a run to Costco so I could get the 3 size one. But I don't feel like going to Costco today. That's too far. They didn't have the honey pot thing. I think I showed y'all the shelf was like empty. They got the sensitive one though. So I picked up the sensitive one. I never tried this one. I've only tried the green one. What's that one? The aloe one, I think. Yeah, but I'm trying this because this is the only one I have and I need this. And then I'm trying this. I saw this girl I was watching on YouTube. She was talking about this Dove exfoliating body polish. So I'm gonna try it. They have the brown sugar and coconut. They have crushed macadamia and rice milk. They have pomegranate seeds. Let me smell the pomegranate seeds. Oh my gosh, the pomegranate seed one smells so good. It smells better than the brown sugar, but I'm just inclined to get brown sugar. I might get the pomegranate one because it kind of goes with my body wash versus the brown sugar. Yeah, this, I don't know, I'm conflicted. But then this smells like my moisturizer and stuff. You know, I'm trying to like match my scents all so that I can, like, you know, or should I get both? I might get both. I saw on TikTok that you're supposed to like wash with a cleansing bar first before you use your body wash. So I'm trying to find, like, TikTok be influencing your girl like high key low key. But they don't, Target have nothing. I don't know what it is today. Am I late? Like on Saturdays I feel like your shelves need to be filled. Like, what are these gaps? Like, what's happening? What's happening, Target? It's Saturday morning. Come on. Yeah, Target is coming through with their outfits. Like, I really like these pants right here. But they don't have my size. This is a 2X and it's way too big. And all the other ones, 4X, 2X, that's all they have. Too big, but I like these. I have a look for these. I had ordered some pants like this from Pretty Little Thing, but they had sold out. So they emailed me that I couldn't get it because they sold out. And I would love to have these, but they don't have my size. And I like this sweater. I took it up. I don't know if I'm getting it yet, but I do like it. It's just a regular sweater. I'm telling myself that whenever I see stuff and I like it, I'm gonna just go ahead and get it, because I always say like, oh, I'm not gonna get it yet, and then I eventually don't get it and I regret it. So every time I see something and I like it, if it's, you know, I'm gonna get it. I'm just feeling some type of way, Target. Like, they don't have my size in anything. Oh, they have my size in these brown pants. They just look so huge. Like, how is this a 1X? Let me check the tag. It says 1X. It looks so big. I mean, I can always bring it back, right? Let me see. Do they have mirrors in here? Yeah, they do. Hold on now. Alright guys, so this is how the pants look. I still got my jeans on because who feels like taking that off? I'm using my phone because it's showing it better than my camera. But this is what the pants look like. They're a little looser than I would like. Because I'm plus size, I try not to wear too much baggy clothes, and that's just me personally for my body type. However, I do like how these look. They're comfortable. The length alone, it's hard for me to find pants with length like this, so I might get them. They have pockets. Love that. I like them. I think I might get them. They're comfortable. Pushing P. Yeah, we like them. I did on with my jacket to see. Even with the jacket, it's a vibe, right? I'm trying to convince myself, but I like it. Y'all, why Target want to take my whole money today? Like, this pajama dress, this night dress, oh my gosh. Target just want to take all my money. Let's see, because I might just $20, y'all. I love it. Oh, I didn't even show y'all, but I did pick up these pants for work. Yeah, I need some more clothes, so why not? Still got this, and the brown pants is over there, but I low-key want this. I did not come to Target for none of these. And look at this too, y'all. I need to get out. I need to get out of Target right now. I'm leaving. I'm gonna go check out, and I'm gonna walk out of Target right now. Why did I just spend a whole hour and a half in Target? It's funny because the thing that I went for, I only got one out of the two things I went for. And how much did I leave with? A whole Target bag. And I'm just tight that the fact that I have to now pay for these bags from Target. It started on November 1st that we have to now pay for the Target bags. And I feel some type of way about that because Target is already expensive. So why are we paying for the bag? I had fun though. Target was cool. It was a bunch of stuff that if I had followed my mind, I probably would have still been in there buying stuff that I don't need. I just want impulsive shopping. Oh, I'm at the bank. So I did Target. Now I'm at the bank. Let me get my pen. Did Target. We're at the bank. So we just got Dollar Tree and the Jamaican store left. You got that kind of something fucking good and make me run my mouth. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know you love it. Oh, you that somebody who sees a wall and breaks it. Yes, ma'am.
Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey y'all, it is later on. I look a mess. You can clearly tell I've been up to stuff. I've been cleaning, doing laundry, opening packages. Just a lot. Right now, I'm gonna sit down and soak off my nails. They look atrocious, y'all. Look at them. Yeah, they look a mess. They've been stripping and everything. I bought some acetone today at Dollar Tree. Look at the bottle, y'all. Dollar Tree rose. Their prices went up. Dollar Tree prices went up and the products got smaller. Inflation at its finest. So I bought some. So I'm gonna soak these off. I had also bought this. Let me show you. Remember I usually be about doing my own nails. So I had bought this on Amazon a while ago. I used it maybe once. So I'm about to use this along with this bowl. I'm just going to pour the acetone in and soak my hands at a time, one hand at a time. And just use this electric, what do you call this, file? This electric file to help take it off. Hopefully I can do it in one go. Y'all, I'm going to just take me a shower. I'm going to just take me a shower and go to bed. This shit is bananas. Y'all look at my nail. My drill broke. And I don't feel like sitting here having my hands. So I just decided tomorrow I'm going to go to the nail salon and just get them to do it. Because I just can't. I just can't. So I'm about to take me a nice bath and call it a night. Because your girl is tired. So this is where I'm going to end tonight's vlog, y'all. Thank you for watching. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.